Good morning. I just got home from the gym and my lips look juicy. Why don't they look like that normally? Anyway, I'm gonna vlog my day today because I don't know why. I just feel like it. I kind of want to I want to motivate myself to have a good day, and I feel like the only time I feel like motivated to put in the effort to have a good day is when I feel like people are watching me. So that's what we're doing, and I'm about to go shower. Oh, focus on me. I'm gonna go shower because I'm sweaty, and then get dressed, get ready, and I want to go to the thrift store because my production starts this week. My thesis production starts this week, and I really want to make the interview set like really pretty. So yeah. Oh yeah, and then this afternoon I think I'm gonna go. My sister is an athlete and she has a bunch of tryouts, so I think I'm gonna go watch those, and then my dad will pick me up and then he'll drop me off after, so we'll see. But I think that'll be fun because I like watching my sister play. It's always really fun, and I just miss my sister a lot, so. This is the breakfast. We got rye toast, avocado, vegan bacon, lactose-free Swiss cheese, and sweet baby rice. So here's my outfit. I'm gonna wear my Nike Air Force Ones because I'm basic, and then I just have this really old black turtleneck from American Eagle. I got it like 3 years ago now, but it's still like the most comfortable one. It's starting to like pill along my boob, but I don't care. And I got these jeans. These are the I think extra high rise straight jeans from Old Navy. I don't know how I feel about the button fly because they're definitely like the right size, but this kind of looks weird. And then this belt is from American Eagle. My necklace is from Amazon. This set of earrings, this is Nicole Raffy's. They are my favorite earrings. I wear them every day. And these two are from Amazon. And then in my cartilage I have, or in my conch I have a button because I like the Corvaline vibes, which is from Etsy. And then this one is just for my piercer. Also, I got this yesterday to propagate my plants because I was using jars and it just wasn't working out well. But I'm really excited. The pink stuff on the bottom is this like Pro Mix Grow stuff. And then I have just a regular pothos, goldfish plant, marble pothos, gold pothos, and spider plant. I haven't been on this streetcar in like over 2 years, so this is fun. I haven't been in this area at all, like where the store is, in like 2 years, 3 years maybe. It's cold out until you're walking around in the sun in all black and carrying a whole bag of stuff. So that was not a successful trip at all. There was like next to nothing. The racks were so bare of the men's section specifically, and the home section was not very good. I feel like that's kind of how it is with downtown locations. There's never really anything good, but I was really hoping because somebody told me that they recently got better at that location, but I beg to differ. Let's do a haul. This isn't from Value Village, but I did get some cookies since the streetcar was running late and this was right next to the streetcar stop. So I got some fall themed cookies. These are the best cookies in the whole city. So if you're near a Craig's Cookies or you're in Toronto and have Uber Eats, order this. It is so good. You can get 12 or 6. I just got 6. So I'm gonna see my parents, my dad and my sister later, so I'm just gonna bring them some cookies. I'm gonna give you guys the prices of everything, and I will admit that it's pretty absurd. So, oh, my hand sanitizer in there. Okay, so the first thing I got is just like a really old, really beat up vinyl. I want to paint, like it's like so scratched. I just want to paint this and put it up on my wall. The reason that I got this one specifically was because of the scratches. Nobody would ever be able to listen to it, but also because it has Banff on it, and that's a town in Alberta. And when I moved to the States, I'm using this as a fan. Hold on. When I moved to the States, I want to have as much stuff that's like very subtly Canadian as I can. I got this lemon meringue pie plate. I bought this because my grandma has a bunch of these that are different like recipes on the inside, but I've been wanting a pie plate, but also this is just like so cute and pretty that I couldn't not buy it. So it reminds me of my grandma. It's handy. Had to get it. The next thing I got is this vintage, the tag is vintage, Mark Allen's sweater. This was in the men's section, but it says it's a 1X, so I'm assuming it's women's. It's just this like nude mock neck, and I was gonna buy one very similar on Poshmark from Reformation for like 75 bucks. Oh my god, I forgot to give you prices. The record was $2.99, the pie plate was $3.99, and the sweater is $4.49 or $5.49. But yeah, this is definitely not Reformation quality, but it's still soft and comfortable, so I'll just wash it and wear it because it's nice. I don't know. It's better than spending 75 bucks on Poshmark for a Reformation sweater, so that's fine. Then I bought this set of gold picture frames for $2.99. I was really disappointed in the homeware section until I saw these. I was like, oh my god. So it's just like little 4x6 picture frames. This is like a gold accent, which I think will be nice because I have a lot of gold in my room. And then this one is like a metallic gold and it's 5x7. Yeah, but they're both like really old, so I don't know. I thought that was cool too. I thought they were like vintage. And then the last few things that I got were that was $2.99 for both of them, by the way. The last things that I got were a bunch of like really old books, either to tear apart to put on a wallpaper or to just have as decor. I really like the cover of this one, so I don't think I'm gonna break this one. But they were all $7.99, which is really expensive for like really old used books, but whatever. So there's this one. It's Sequoia, formerly published as Malibu by Vance Joseph Hoyt. I'll never read this, but... And then this is H.P. Lovecraft, an annotated bibliography, which is literally just a bibliography. It's just a red book at $7.99. And then this one is literally falling apart at the spine, but this is Henry Bellarmine King's Row. Also a really old book. Aw. It says, oh, I didn't see this when I bought it. On the first page here, it says, Merry Christmas to Noel from Marion in 1943. Oh, now I can't tear this apart. Anyways, these were all $7.99, so they will probably go on the shelf in my bathroom for now, and then obviously become a centerpiece when I move into my own place in a few months. Alright, so I'm done my lunch. I'm back at my desk. I literally feel like I'm not doing anything productive, but my dad is coming to pick me up to go to my sister's soon. He's bringing me a clothing rack so that I can use it for my thesis project, which like it's gonna go in the background since we're interviewing someone who's like into costume making, so I want to hang up like her costumes behind her if she brings them. So right now I'm watching YouTube and I'm gonna read my history readings. I started reading them on the streetcar, but my dad called me, so I got really distracted. Because this is last week's reading, I kind of already know the material, so I'm just kind of glossing over it, which is why I can have a video in the background. That's what I'm gonna do. And yeah. It's a little bit later. I'm gonna water my plants. I have I think I've talked about this on my channel before, but I have the Greg app, and it just tells me what needs to be watered and when, so I'm just gonna follow through that list. I'm so bad at vlogging. Okay, anyways, so now that I've watered all of my plants and inputted all of that into the app, I'm gonna continue working on my film treatment for my UCLA application. This will probably be the same treatment I send off to like multiple different schools. So yeah, so far it's about 1 page. I have the summary, I'm starting the concept. Still need to come up with a log line, and yeah. Hello, I'm now back from my evening dinner practice. It's 11 o'clock, but I have so much work to do that I am going to continue writing some stuff for my thesis. We start shooting this week, as I've mentioned probably a gazillion times in this video, but we start shooting this week, and it's a documentary, so we're doing a bunch of interviews and stuff like that, and I'm really trying to map out what I want that to look like. I'm really hoping that I ask everything I need to, because we only have one shot to film this particular set of interviews, and I can't afford to mess it up. So it is now time for me to get into my bed, which I've done. I'm gonna finish watching some YouTube videos and probably fall asleep while watching them, to be honest. I don't do that very often, but tonight just feels like the night since my roommates are not home yet, and I don't like being here alone, so it just kind of helps my brain calm down. So yeah, my skin is really red. I don't know why. Just did my skincare, so I don't know. But yeah, it's time for me to go to sleep. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was definitely something different. I really tried to record as much of my day as possible, so I hope you guys liked it. I hope that I will do it again soon, and I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye. Oh yeah, please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Even if you didn't, subscribe and like, because every like and subscription cures my acne.